I'll show you how to program these programmable timer. These are not smart. Okay, so let me show you. So that's to program this right here. That right there. So it's 5:45 right now. Okay, let's do this one also. Setup. Inner 2011. What the heck? 2020. December. Alexa, what's the date?
Today is Saturday, December 5th.
December 5th.
By the way, if today's cleaning day, try saying, give me tips for cleaning.
Clock, inner. It's 5:48 now. It's quicker to go backwards. Zone. Central. Dawn. Thus, let's make it 5:04 like the other one. Not sure if it's right or not. Save. Okay. That's to program the time and the year. So let's program when it's on and off. Okay, so let's see if we can do this one again. Year 2000. All right, so we lost power. That's why we lost all of this. 2020. December 5th. Clock is the same. Okay. On zone central. Okay, so that's to redo the year because I didn't do the year the last time. Okay, so double setup to go to programming. Go to programming 1. Okay, on, we need to go set. Okay, and then you see how all these dates are blinking. So this applied to all the days. And we want it on at dusk. Okay, enter. Which is 4:49. It's a little early, but it's okay. Off, we want at dawn. Okay. Save. Okay, we're good now. Okay, so that's how you do it. It's for me too, because every time I do this, I forget. Okay, thanks for watching. Need to get a cover for this. Since we put this on, we can't find a cover that fit these two. I'm sure that somebody will say we have it somewhere. Actually, I haven't checked Amazon yet, but okay, thanks for watching. Okay, so auto. And now, if I manually turn it on, see, it's on now. Okay, so this one is for the right here, and this is for the 2 corner.